last video I will not be doing this type of content, but I have come to realise that I need to film it so it motivates me. Yes, filming me cleaning motivates me. You should try it sometime. Like, it generally works. It generally does, because you want to show your audience the before and the after. And if there's no after, what's the point? And to be fair, I do it on TikTok, but I don't post them that often because it's like it can stay in my draft. But I know it will bug me more if I don't finish this vlog and it doesn't go up. So I finish cleaning my room. Main reason why I'm vlogging. But also, I kind of left you on a cliffhanger, I feel like, with just being like, yeah, I'm just going to post my memories now. Just not explaining my mind and what's going on. And honestly, I don't either. Because this obviously has been at the back of my mind for a while. But also, someone about the Harry Styles concert, I came away being like, so proud. A proud fan. Like a proud mom. But it was one of those, like, I don't want to become a singer, of course, because I am rubbish at singing. But it was one of those pinch me moments. Like, I must have looked around the stadium about like 10 times, and then looking at the stage like, he's done this. He's done this. And he's happy to say that One Direction was part of his growth and like where he is now. But he's also worked so hard, and it's just motivate me to the point of being like, what do I actually want? Like, what's actually, I want this to be my dream job, but what's actually working out for me? And to be honest, right now, that is TikTok, even though my last video got 65 views so far. If you guys can show me that you can give me like over 200 views, I might, I'm joking, but like, it honestly is to that point of like being like, it's not about the money, but if you want to make it your job, you get to that point of what would help me be more successful. But also, a quote that stayed with me that isn't actually a Harry's quote, but he said it in an interview that someone else has said to him, is if you, so on the lines of, if you're doing what you love and you feel you are successful in your brain, someone else's success compared to like what they think is successful for you is probably not. Because now he spoke up about like, he's not going to reach as high as One Direction. He's happy to be where he is. His growth is him. And I don't know what I'm trying to say, but pretty much that concert has changed my mindset to be like, okay, what's working out for me? What do I actually want? And yes, I do want to continue my YouTube channel, and I will do. And this is a novelty of me doing a spring cleaning with me, a clean with me vlog, and it will continue. But what I was trying to say in that video is just, I won't be uploading as often. Like, if I feel like if I am having a busy week or 2 busy weeks or a month of a busy time of doing content on Instagram and TikTok, or just busy with work, I've realised that I can't give 100% to every single platform if I really want to make this work. I'm not going to give 10%. 30% doesn't seem that much. But when you spread it out, like doing Instagram posts, doing TikTok and doing YouTube, and when I do, and also my work life, but also when I do get to that point of being like, I have a routine, because even though it's nearly been a year since doing this job, my food retail job, I still don't know how I'm working with this. Like, I have my weeks that I'm like, I don't know what to do. So that's why I've kind of put off YouTube, because I didn't feel motivated. And when I did feel motivated, I had that mindset of, where can I put this motivation in? TikTok, because it's gonna pay off. This is a clean with me. I'm gonna go and make my bed. We need to sort my desk out. It's always my desk that gets the messiest. And we've got some boba tea, or bubble tea. I call it bubble tea, but some people call it boba. And we're ready to get productive. I just want to talk about having a learning disability, doing too much. I will never learn, I'll still do it. But when I do too much, with a lack of sleep, having a learning disability, everything gets overwhelming. Like, it's literally tidying my room, even on my days off. It's like I can't be bothered, and it's not like I'm lazy. It's just I'm at work, I need to work, I can't stop. And when I'm at home, I have that choice. Like, I would love to have that mindset of just do it. But when you've worked 3 days in a row of like early or like middle days shift, blah blah blah, but like getting up before 8, I can't stress it enough. I know not many people relate to this, but I need sleep, because this is what happens. I break ornaments. I broke my Tinkerbell one, and luckily it can be fixed, and luckily it was only the wing. But I'm just like, that's why the time lapse will be cut short so quickly. We've done the bed now. Oh my god, I'm gonna go and get some bin bags and try and do the rest. Like, I don't know. I think this just summarizes why I'm not going to post as much on YouTube. Because even work on its own can get overwhelming, and then I turn out like this. Oh. Let's get to doing the desk. Now the thing is done. Not that I want my room to be messy. That's the thing. Like, I just think of like before my job, yeah, I did have my room messy, but I generally think it has got worse than having a job, because the overwhelmness, and it's so stupid. Some people might not understand it. I need some Harry Styles music. This video to be like a little catch up with you guys, because I kind of put that video out there and didn't really tell you. Well, I feel like people got the point, like pretty much. I'm really busy with work, and then I want to follow with TikTok because it's going quite well right now. And that's pretty much the basics, but it's just, sometimes it just gets a bit overwhelming, and I've realised I need my sleep now. And when you say that to people, they take it as a, like, well, I need my sleep, I need my beauty sleep. They take it as like that type of quote, and it's like, no, if I don't get my sleep, I'm mentally not okay. my learning disability and just my mental health in general just takes over. But I feel like everyone understands at some point, but when you've got a learning disability on top of it, it's just everything. Some stuff can just get a bit too overwhelming, but at least it's done now. I've finally got rid of my pens as well. I'm off over the weekend, so this will be up over the weekend, but I'll probably get rid of some other stuff, I don't know, but the surrounding of my room is tidy. And I'll let you know, guys, I know I'm uploading this video over the weekend and it's only been like 5 days probably by the time this goes up. I'm still like just uploading when I feel like it now. I did do that before because I'm working. I feel like I always say that, and I'm trying to focus on uploading more on TikTok than YouTube. I will still upload on here, but it might be like a week, 2 weeks, sometimes a month. It really depends. I really didn't expect me to just upload the Harry Styles video and just disappear for life. Well, not for life, but like for quite a while. But life just got a bit busy after that. I was just a bit in my head. And yeah, I am back, but it's going to be a bit of a change. It's a little proper update vlog for you guys. We've cleaned my room. The next vlog I will probably do is trying to get Taylor Swift tickets. That's just me, because it's generally like when, like, this is what I mean by I want to capture memories, like on the, like I'll probably film if I get the text, if, fingers crossed, because you get a text on the 5th of July. And then that confirms if you've got a code or not. And then I need to wait till the 19th of July to be able to get it. But I've got the 19th of July off now. So hopefully manifesting it. I'm going to start reading my manifesting books again because I've got loads that I need to read. And that's another thing that I just stopped doing. Just stop reading and stop pretty much manifesting my dream life, because in a way it started to happen and then I just kept on going and life carries on. Sometimes life just gets in the way. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog either way, and let me know in the comments or give this video a thumbs up if you tidied your room with me. And I will see you with some vlog in the future. I don't think I'll be doing really sit down videos anymore unless it's like it's about my work and that, like when I do like a year or 2 years or something like that, because believe it or not, it's nearly becoming a year since I've started that job, so that's really good. But aside from them videos, I will probably just be doing vlogs when I feel like I want to capture at the moment, or if I just want to film myself cleaning my room because it makes me productive. I'm back, but I'm just not uploading as much. So, hi, but bye for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you with a brand new vlog. Probably can't even see that, but it says dream. So, just a little reminder. Follow your dream.